Hey guys. Hey guys. It's been long time na hindi ako nakapag-shoot. Sensya na. Medyo busy lang ang peg. And this episode will be dedicated for shoutouts while I'm answering your questions. I'm here at the park where I usually run during weekends. Yung intro video ko nga pala is an edited video using an application, Action Movie Effects. Hindi siya available sa Android, only available sa iOS. And this is not a paid endorsement by that application. Natuwa lang talaga ako sa application na yun. That's why I'm sharing it to you. Let's get started. First is from Cutie Pie Lani.
Hi guys, it's Lani.
Question, what cam are you using? Editing software? Who is your favorite YouTuber? Why you're doing YouTube videos? Two main shooters. One is ATD. Another one is G7X. My editing software is Final Cut Pro and iMovie. My favorite YouTubers are Casey Neistat, Rowan Atwood, Philip DeFranco. I'm doing YouTube videos kasi gusto ko magkaroon ng journal. Yung buhay ko, sort of, na pwede kong balikan siya pag tumanda ako. Yeah, and as time goes by, natutuwa ako or naaaliw ako sa paggawa ng YouTube videos. And at the same time, nakakakilala ako ng mga creative people. Second shout out to Michelle Goes to Sweden.
Ito na yung regalo ko guys. Ito yung sinasabi kong bubuksan ko na yung gift ko.
And she asks, hanggang kailan mo makikita ang sarili mo sa larangan ng pag-vlog? Ano ang ayaw mo sa isang tao? Sinong kilalang tao ang gusto mong makadate? At bakit? Aside kay Mrs. of course. Yung pinakasikat. Interesting question. The time, hindi ko talaga alam kung hanggang kailan ako mag-vlog. As long as I'm enjoying the thing that I'm doing, I'll continue doing it. Ayoko sa isang tao is talking behind my back. Yeah. Probably I will date Charlize Theron. Siya yung childhood crush ko since Devil's Advocate movie. Yeah. Shout out Chris Yao Vlogs.
Ma-alarm na ako sa mga bagong YouTube videos nyo.
Pageant ang question niya. Kung ikaw ay magkakaroon ng superpowers, anong power ito at bakit? I've thought about it a long time ago. May mga kinonsider ako like invisibility, X-ray. Pero one superpower, hindi ko alam kung superpower or not so natural na ability is magkaroon ng bakal na puso o stone-hearted. Basta yun, yung parang mawawalan ka ng feelings.
Feelings, nothing more than feelings.
Yung kaya mong gawin lahat kasi wala kang i-consider. Hindi ko alam kung superpower yun, pero that's what I thought of. Kay Brother Vencor na nagtatrabaho sa Alaska at nakatira sa Las Vegas. Correct me if I'm wrong ha.
Ewan ko lang kung nakikita nyo medyo madilim. Pero yung lahat na snow, puting-puti. Ito ang Prudhoe Bay, Alaska.
Shout out pala din sa mom ni Vencor, ni Brother Vencor. Hopefully you get well soon. Sana makarecover po kayo kagad. Question niya is, nag-iba ka ba ng editing software? Nope, I'm still using the Final Cut Pro and iMovie. From Sabrina XOXO.
I'm gonna do fire noodles.
And her question is, how old are you? Bakit may kagat yung logo ng Apple sa iPhone? Ano na una, manok ba o itlog? Matagal na yung tanong na hindi masagot. I was born 1975 and currently, I'm 41 years old. Bakit may kagat yung Apple sa iPhone? Nilagyan siya ng kagat para magkaroon ng distinguish yung logo nila over cherry. Kasi kung hindi daw nilagyan ng kagat yon, it would confuse people kung ano yung logo. It would confuse them either it's an apple or a cherry. So ayaw nilang mapagkamalang cherry yun, that's why nilagyan nila ng kagat. Hindi nila mapapagkamalang cherry yun kung may kagat, syempre maliit lang yung cherry. Baka mapagkamala nila, langgam yung kumagat lang. Naunang itlog sa manok. Bakit? Kasi nauna si Adan kaysa kay Eva. Actually, hindi ko alam. That was a joke. Next, insane. Insane. Pasensya na, hindi ko alam kung ano yung tamang pronunciation. But I would pronounce as the way I know it. Insane.
Lang po, si Bakit ang kasi tumatakol.
Kuya Jubil, kailan mo mahahanap si talent? For those who didn't know what she was referring to, she was referring to the video I put up on Inday Godiday's Mansari. Talent! Talent? I will try to put the link on the description below so you can check them out. Hanggang ngayon, sis, hindi ko pa rin nakikita yung talent ko. Everything I'm doing is because of out of curiosity lang. And yeah, I try to explore more. And actually, hindi ako naniniwala sa talent. Although, may iba talagang gifted yung talent. But I would choose hard work over talent. Next is from Christine Naraval Bantiles Apostol. Anong editing software gamit mo? Final Cut Pro? Sino sa YouTube pinapanood mong tutorial sa pag-edit ng videos? Editorial, tutorials, actually walang specific. I just try to search kung ano yung nasa isip ko na gusto kong gawin. Like on my previous video na may loading sign na para nagahang. Nandiyan pa ba yung loading? So I search for GIF on how to use GIF on a video. Nasa internet naman lahat, so I think anyone can search of it. It just happen na kailangan talaga lang ng konting kiliti ng utak. And you always think of something na hindi pa nagagawa karamihan sa mga nakikita mo. Sigurado halos lahat na yan may mga nakagawa ng kung ano man yan, pero not everybody knows it. So you have to find time at that time frame na kung ano pa yung hindi pa nagagawa ng karamihan doon. And that's how they will take notice of you. So ganun yung ginagawa ko. Next shout out is Katie Licious.
Grabe yung mukha ko.
Saan nanggagaling ang creativity mo sa paggawa ng video? Curiosity. Yun lang yung fire na nagpupush sa akin para gumawa ng video, ng maging creative yung video. You just have to be curious, you have to explore. If you're doing the things as others are doing also, you're in a wrong direction. Shout out to Diego Tanya Franca. Brother, tagal-tagal na natin hindi nakagawa ng vlog. Gawa na tayo dyan. So he got two questions, isang seryoso at hindi seryoso. What color is your toothbrush? Para sa hindi seryoso. White and blue and green. Mix of those colors. Syempre puti yung bristle. Sa seryosong tanong, anong mas mahirap gawin para sa'yo? To tell someone you love them or that you do not love them? Wow. Parang muhugot ka, brother. Para sa akin, mas mahirap gawin that you do not love them back. Kasi mas mahirap ang makasakit kaysa sa masaktan. Ayun, kinakatakot ko. Yung may maglilinis na kasi may maingay. Ito na yung maingay. I think I have to take a pause.